The big rocks are definitely a key foundation in the work-study program, and you could see them throughout the entire program. There's a variety of activities and experiences that happen. Some of them are in the classroom, some are around the school building, and of course we have many great partnerships in the community. And then all of them are focused on just giving young adults opportunities to practice a variety, we say, transferable vocational and employability skills.
I like to do challenges and challenge myself and be more independent and be more responsible and have a family and stuff and help my family. I'm a hard worker. I like to challenge myself for the best and help people out.
My dream is really to help my mom and my dad, figure out what I want to do with my life.
Well, like some teachers would see me change the toners and printers, and they will sometimes help me. And at the end, they'll say thank you to me. It makes me feel proud.
What do you hope to do after Mason High School?
Attend a four-year college.
I like to work.
Yes, you do.
There's several businesses in the Mason area that have definitely been here, like I said, since before I even was the work-study coordinator, and they just keep continuing to support us.
We've been doing the work-study program for a few years now. They come in, help us out, a lot of times with like the catering, the box lunches. They've been a huge help. Like we have, pretty big catering orders a lot, and they come in, they'll do like hundreds of boxes a week. It's been a great experience. It's great having them here. We have a few former students from your guys' program that work here. They're a huge help. They run orders to customers here, bus tables. They have definitely flourished in what they do.